Ever seen someone effortlessly pull themselves over a bar and wondered how they make it look so easy? The muscle up isn't just about brute strength, it's a technique game that most people get completely wrong. Here's the secret nobody tells you. The transition is everything. Most beginners try to pull straight up, but that's impossible. You need to pull yourself forward first, getting your chest to the bar. Then quickly shift your weight forward as you transition over. Grab my free 5-step breakdown in the description. Start with the basics. Master regular pull-ups first. Aim for at least 10 clean reps. Then work on chest-to-bar pull-ups, focusing on that forward lean. Your grip matters too. Use a false grip where your wrists are already positioned over the bar. The explosive pull is crucial. Generate momentum from the bottom, pulling yourself up and forward in one fluid motion. As you reach the bar, quickly lean forward and push yourself over. Think of it as climbing over a wall, not just pulling up. Practice the negative first. Jump up to the top position and slowly lower yourself down, controlling every inch of the movement. Most people achieve their first muscle up within 6 months of consistent practice. The key is patience and progressive training. Download the free 5-step formula in the description and start training smarter today. Enjoyed this? Subscribe and like for more.